Did you know that sunlight is the Earth's main external source of energy?
Really? I always thought we depended more on other sources like wind or fossil fuels.
It's surprising, but sunlight actually plays a huge role. It not only warms the Earth, but also influences weather patterns and our atmosphere. Without the sun, the planet would be a very different place.
So, sunlight isn't just about heat. It affects a lot more than I realized.
Exactly. It's what keeps our climate and weather systems going. We'll dive more into how it all works, but the sun truly powers much of what happens on Earth. Do you still remember the 5 layers of the atmosphere from the outermost layer? Comment your answers below.